step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in the kitchen, I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dice with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. I seen this recipe on YouTube, and it's something I want to cook for my family. Shout out to All Wings Everything for this nice, wonderful video. Taco spaghetti. We have our chicken broth, our spaghetti noodles, bell pepper, onion, garlic, taco seasoning, and our ground beef. Shout out to you, bro. Appreciate this nice, wonderful video. Alright, so we go ahead and put our ground beef in here. Okay, this is 3 pounds of ground beef, 93 lean. So I just want to just break it up real good. This is my first time using this. Every time I mess with some ground beef or something, my wife be like, use this. And I just look over it like, I forget about it. So today I didn't forget about it. Babe, you know what this for? It's for your ground beef. You break it up, twist it. All right, babe, I'll use it next time. That was about 3 years ago. Let me stop. All right, so we'll go ahead and put our onions and bell peppers in there. So y'all check out bro. His channel's All Wings Everything. Good brother. He has some nice recipes on this channel. Check him out. That's garlic right there. So now we'll go ahead and let this cook in. It'll cook together, come together anyway. Work that ground beef up more. I kind of like this little thing. Call it a little spinner. Okay, my little spinner and did its job. So if you don't have one of these, go grab you one. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and drain this water out. A little bit of that fat. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and taco seasoning. Diced tomatoes. We'll add some of this Italian style tomatoes. peeled tomatoes. And mix everything together. Alright, diced tomatoes and with green chili, tomato sauce. And go ahead and put our noodles in here. And we'll add our chicken broth. We'll have to add some water also, because we want to make sure they get in there. We'll add a little bit of water. We might don't have to add no water. Just make some room for it. We don't need no water. Alright, I'll add a little bit of water. Not much, but a little water. I'm gonna put the top on there and let it cook. Alright, this is how we looking. It only take 10 minutes to cook the noodles. That's it. Go ahead and turn this off. Like our taco noodles right here. Taco spaghetti. So now, we have some Colby jack cheese. You just want to go ahead and put your cheese on there. Whatever cheese you like. Put the top on. Look at that. I don't even want to mess with it. It looks so beautiful. All-in-one taco spaghetti recipe. Fire. Shout out to all wings, everything. That looks so good. hope y'all enjoy this video. Okay, so here we go right here. I done made it happen. Right here in this good kitchen. It's delicious. When I say it's fire, try this recipe right here. It's fire. And this is something good for you and the family. You can invite the whole family over. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell, all notifications, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.